Bruges, Belgium. Easily reachable in less than an hour by train from Brussels, Bruges is often called Venice of the North due to its picturesque canals and unique atmosphere. Bruges has many of its original buildings untouched, which makes it one of the most beautiful and best preserved medieval towns in Europe. When you travel to Bruges, the must-see place is the Church of Our Lady, the Gothic church with the third highest brick tower in the world. Inside, you can find the only Michelangelo's statue outside Italy. It was looted a few times, the last time during the Second World War. Have you seen the Hollywood movie, The Monuments Men? The movie is inspired also by the rescue of this marble statue. Do not forget to taste a famous Belgian beer and eat French fries, which were not invented in France, as many think, but in Belgium instead. In order to have an unforgettable romantic experience, take a boat ride through the canals of the city and discover romantic bridges, appealing gardens, and medieval architecture. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.